Assalamu alaikum. I'm Qaisra Shahraz, Director of MACFEST, and absolutely delighted to welcome you to Blackburn Museum and Art Gallery. It's really incredible for us to be part of their festival, their first event with us for MACFEST. So we are having a great time, and we've got incredible art workshops, calligraphy with Farzana Patel, and they're marvelous shows. We are loving it. Just look at the gallery around you. It's gorgeous, absolutely. Thank you.
Start.
Hello, so I'm currently from Blackburn Museum and Art Gallery. We're really excited to be taking part in MACFEST. This is the first year that we've taken part, and it's been an amazing day so far.
Welcome to MACFEST. We're in Blackburn Museum today. I am running 3 calligraphy events, workshops for introductory to Arabic calligraphy, and spread honey not hate. You do the session today, you really enjoy it, you go home, you want to continue learning, but there's no tutor around. This is a really easy way to mark your own work and continue your calligraphy journey on your own without a tutor. So my teacher was from Oman. He was studying here for a year, so I had a year with him, which I was really grateful for. But once he left, I had to continue my journey, and that was 11 years ago, you know my age. Even for yourselves, it's really good to know. So when you're marking your work in calligraphy, there's a couple of different ways in which you can understand whether you're right or wrong, or you need to change your angle a little bit. So we have the circle, and this basically looks at the different angles at which your letter should be coming down, going up. Where should your letter sit in and around your circle? This one, I tried it, it didn't work for me. My preference is the nukta, or the dots principle. So in each calligraphy font and style, if you get textbooks and workbooks, they'll tell you how many nuktas high a letter should be, how wide, how much space should be between them, and this can help you to mark your work. So you were taught that's not very correct. You've written boss right, but that B is not sort of central. That U, it looks completely off from the first letter. The S, again, that line should be a little bit more in the middle. And these are things when you're learning how to handwrite, you get it wrong, but in English they used to teach you, okay, keep your letters the height the same, within the line. That's what you do with calligraphy. So, you know, there's something that will tell you, okay, this looks correct, and without knowing it, you also know it's more appealing to the eye looking at it, saying, that looks like someone who knows how to write. Yeah. Calligraphy is exactly the same. So when we are learning, you know, you're going to learn that, you know, your aims, and not, that's not an aim. I've written the lines in the same sort of way, but it looks completely off. When you do the nukta rule, and you know how high it needs to be, how much space needs to be between each part, that's you marking your work to understand where your letter looks right, and it looks appealing to the eye, and it looks like